Hi everyone, we are MARUI Tech. In this week, we are going to introduce you our new products, including the TECH WE SCAR CNC steel bolt for open bolt system, the MARUI Hi Capa CNC steel slider, and the M14 integrated trigger box. This CNC steel bolt is just dedicated for the TECH WE SCAR open bolt system. We made it in steel and made by CNC. Compared with the original one, though it still uses the metal, but the steel is stronger and heavier. If we compare the weight, you will see our bolt is heavier. That means we will provide you more recoil power. Though this is still a prototype, but we still install it and demonstrate the performance. Now, we use 0.2 BB and green gas to test it. This is MARUI Hi Capa. It is a good GBB pistol. It has a long distance and reliable. But there's a little pity because the slide is plastic. So when you carry this pistol, it looks just like a toy. And today we show you the new product. It is still a prototype, but it is made in CNC steel. So if you compare these two pistols and we release the slide, you can see the difference. The CNC steel slider makes this pistol look better and have more recoil power. The difference between our CNC slider and the original slider is not only the material, but also the weight. The original weight is only 102 grams, and our CNC slider is 285 grams. It's almost the double weight of compared with the original one. And if we put everything together, then the weight is 223 grams and the 504 grams. Because the out barrels are made in steel too, but the weight is heavier. Now, we will demonstrate the difference between the original slider and the CNC steel slider. This is plastic slider. And now, the CNC slider. And I know some of our fans were worried if we use the green gas. Maybe the slide can't run all the stroke, and maybe the slide is too heavy, so we can't shoot all the bullets. But don't worry, we have CO2 magazine. So, if you worry about if the slide is too heavy, you can use the CO2 magazine. It can solve your problem. This is M14 Integrated Trigger Box. It is made in steel and made by CNC. If you replace this trigger box, you don't need to worry about your semi-file or photo file, because this product is very hot. So if you need this, you have to order and you have to be quick.